Welcome to the Expert Drive channel. Forget everything you thought you knew about the pickup truck. Forget practicality as an excuse for bland design. What you are looking at is a seismic shift, a bold declaration from an unexpected source. This is the alleged 2026 Honda Ridgeline, and it's here to shatter the status quo. Let's dissect this masterpiece of automotive aggression. The first thing that commands your attention is the front fascia, a complete departure from anything in Honda's current portfolio. The traditional grille is gone, replaced by a formidable blacked-out panel that emphasizes width and power. Bisecting this is a singular blade of photonic energy, a full-width LED light bar that culminates in razor-sharp, Z-shaped daytime running lights. At its heart, the Honda emblem isn't just chrome. It's an illuminated, warm bronze icon, a subtle yet profound statement of a new, premium identity. The rear is, impossibly, just as dramatic as the front. The design philosophy of a full-width light bar is mirrored here, creating a symmetrical aesthetic that is both futuristic and instantly recognizable. The tailgate is clean and sculpted, but your eyes are inevitably drawn down to the audacious rear bumper. This is pure concept car design. The massive trapezoidal dual exhaust finishers, framed in bronze, are integrated flawlessly. Between them sits a hyper-aggressive silver diffuser element that looks more at home on a performance car than a pickup truck. It is unequivocally bold. But this revolution isn't just skin deep. Step inside and you are no longer in a pickup truck. You are in an opulent sanctuary of technology and craftsmanship. The cabin is a stunning composition of black, diamond-quilted leather, authentic open-pore wood trim, and precise metallic accents. Your command center is a duo of high-definition screens. A fully digital instrument cluster delivers critical information with crystal clarity, while the massive, vertically oriented central infotainment screen serves as the nexus for navigation, media, and vehicle controls. The steering wheel itself is a work of art, a blend of leather and metal with an illuminated Honda logo at its center. Every detail has been meticulously considered. The high center console creates a distinct cockpit for the driver and passenger. The gear selector is a sleek, minimalist button array. The climate controls feature tactile metallic dials with crisp digital readouts, and as dusk falls, configurable ambient lighting glows softly from the doors and center console, bathing the cabin in a sophisticated aura. Even the rear seats, often an afterthought, receive the same premium leather treatment, ensuring every passenger experiences the same level of luxury. What are your thoughts on this radical redesign? Let us know your unfiltered opinion in the comments below. And if you want to stay on the cutting edge of automotive evolution, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell.